Understand this and all women will chase you. Hey there, it's Anna. Ever noticed how sometimes what's just out of reach seems more enticing? It's not just a quirky human trait, it's deeply rooted in psychology, especially when it comes to attraction. So today we are going to delve into the intricate maze of female psychology and unpack why many women are drawn to what feels slightly unattainable. But that's not all. I'll also be sharing actionable strategies on how you can subtly position yourself as that captivating challenge, making you irresistibly intriguing in her eyes. And by the end of this video, you will have the insights to not just understand this enigmatic attraction, but also to masterfully navigate it. Ready to decode the mysteries of attraction and have that upper hand? Of course you are. Let's dive in. Understanding the psychology. 4 reasons why women want what they can't have. Basic human nature. The allure of the forbidden, out of the reach, is a fundamental human trait, not exclusive to women. It's that tantalizing idea that there's something more, something better, just beyond our grasp. This curiosity propels us forwards in various aspects of life, including relationships. The notion that something or someone is just out of reach makes it seem all the more valuable, igniting our intrinsic competitive nature. Validation. In the complex dance of human relationships, there's a certain validation in winning someone over, especially if they seem somewhat elusive. It feeds into our self-worth, making us feel special and chosen. When a woman is drawn to someone slightly out of reach, getting his attention becomes a reflection of her own desirability and value. Romanticizing challenge. Movies, novels, and pop songs often depict the chase as an exciting and noble pursuit, right? The narratives show the protagonist overcoming challenges and emerging victorious, having won the heart of their beloved. Now, this portrayal reinforces the idea that the best relationships come from hard-won battles, and that the most worthwhile partners are those who require effort to attain. Safety in unavailability. Pursuing someone perceived as unattainable can be a protective strategy. If the object of affection is distant or elusive, there's more risk of emotional exposure. The chase becomes more about the thrill and less about genuine connection. This can be a subconscious way for someone to avoid confronting deeper issues related to intimacy, vulnerability, and fear of rejection. So now let's discuss 13 tips to appear desirably unattainable. Maintain independence. An air of independence is often magnetic. When someone has a life full of passions, interests, and pursuits outside of dating, it communicates a sense of completeness. For many women, this can be a powerful draw. It suggests that while you value companionship, you aren't reliant on it to feel fulfilled or content. So this independence can create an allure, making women curious to know more about what fuels your passions and how they might fit into your already rich life. Be genuine. In today's fast-paced digital age, genuine authenticity can sometimes feel rare, making it all the more attractive. Now, the key isn't about playing hard to get, but rather being truly selective about who you let into your life. It's about being real, transparent, and true to your values. Women can often sense when someone is putting on a facade, and it can be off-putting. On the other hand, genuine authenticity, where you are afraid to be yourself, warts and all, can be a refreshing change, sparking genuine interest and pursuit. Be confident, not arrogant. Confidence exudes a magnetic charm. It speaks of self-assuredness, reliance, and an understanding of oneself. However, it's essential to differentiate it from arrogance, which can come off as self-centeredness or an inflated ego. True confidence is quiet, needing no external validation. While arrogance often seeks approval and recognition, being grounded in who you are, believing in your capabilities, while also showing respect and empathy to others, can make you irresistibly attractive. Prioritize personal growth. Life is a continuum of growth and evolution. Someone who prioritizes personal development communicates a sense of dynamism and curiosity. It's about being open to new experiences, seeking knowledge, and continuously pushing yourself out of your comfort zone. Women often appreciate a partner who is not stagnant but is evolving, as it promises growth, excitement, and an ever-deepening connection. Whether it is picking up a new book, exploring somewhere you've never been before, or attending a workshop, showcasing a commitment to personal growth can make you stand out. Avoid being overly available. Now, there's a charm in being spontaneous and being available for impromptu plans. However, if you're always on call, it can unintentionally give off the vibe that you are devoid of other commitments or pursuits in life. So it's essential to strike a balance. By occasionally saying no because you have other plans, passions, or responsibilities, you communicate that you have a life beyond dating. This not only maintains intrigue, but also subtly reinforces your value, making others more eager for the time that you do say yes. Show interest, but not desperation. Genuine interest is flattering. It shows someone that they are valued and appreciated. However, it's crucial to differentiate between interest and desperation. While the former is about mutual connection, the latter can seem as though you're seeking validation or are afraid of being alone. Now, it's okay to express interest and make efforts, but it should come from a place of wanting to know someone better, not from a neediness to be liked or approved. Create mystery. Authenticity, it's essential, and while it's important to be genuine and open, there's no requirement to lay everything out on the table immediately. A gradual reveal of your deeper layers can create a sense of intrigue and anticipation. Sharing stories, experiences, and dreams over time can make your interactions feel like a journey of discovery. This not only keeps the interest alive, but also allows for deeper, more meaningful connections as you both invest time in unraveling the layers. Pursue excellence in your field. Now, there's something undeniably attractive about someone who's deeply passionate about what they do and strives for excellence. Whether it's a career, a hobby, or a side project, when you are committed to refining your skills and making a mark in your chosen field, it reflects discipline, dedication, and ambition. Now, such a pursuit speaks of a person's character and their drive, making them stand out. Women often find such passion and dedication attractive as it showcases a depth and purpose beyond surface level interactions. Establish boundaries. Now, boundaries aren't just about saying no, they are a reflection of self-respect and a clear understanding of one's values. When you have a solid grasp of your limits and are willing to communicate them, it signifies strength, maturity, and self-worth. It tells others that you know who you are, what you're willing to accept, and where you draw the line. Now, this clarity is inherently attractive because it not only defines you, but also sets the tone for any potential relationship. And women are often drawn to someone who can stand firm in their convictions and can create a space of mutual respect and understanding. Stay engaged in your hobbies. Hobbies aren't just pastime activities, they're windows into your soul. Whether you are strumming a guitar, capturing moments through photography, or scaling mountain peaks, these pursuits reveal facets of your character. Now, dedication to a hobby displays passion, discipline, and a zest for life. It shows that you're not one-dimensional, but have a diverse set of interests and a depth to your personality. For women, it's not just about the activity itself, but the story and emotion behind it, making you all the more intriguing. Listen more than you speak. In a world where everyone wants to be heard, the power of listening cannot be understated. When you truly listen, it demonstrates empathy, patience, and genuine interest. It gives that other person a sense of value and significance. By actively listening, you're not just gathering information, but connecting deeply. This depth adds a layer to your personality, making you someone women will want to share their stories, dreams, and fears with, knowing they would be truly heard. Surround yourself with positive, like-minded individuals. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, Jim Rohn once said. The individuals that you choose as your inner circle often mirror aspects of your personality. And when these are individuals that are also driven by purpose, positivity, and ambition, it subtly elevates your own energy and appeal. Women notice not just the man, but also his environment. Being in the midst of inspired, motivated individuals can be a testament to your own values, aspirations, and character. Engage in thoughtful gestures, not grand ones. In the era of viral proposals and grandiose displays of affection, the allure of subtlety and genuine sentiment can often be overlooked. But true connection isn't built on a grandeur of a gesture, but the depth of its sincerity. For instance, remembering a fleeting mention of her favourite book, and then later gifting that book, or simply leaving a heartfelt note before you leave for work can resonate deeply. Such gestures tell her that you are observant, considerate, and genuinely invested in her happiness. Now, they don't scream for attention. Instead, they whisper sentiments of genuine care and understanding. While grand gestures can sometimes come off as trying too hard or being insincere, it's often the small, thoughtful acts that linger in memory and build the foundation of a meaningful connection. For many women, it's these understated expressions of affection that truly makes a man unforgettable and irreplaceable. They offer a glimpse into his heart and a promise of a bond that values depth over display. So you've just unlocked the secret of irresistible attraction. Now what's your next step? Delve into what a woman feels when you stop looking for her, or learn the things that you should keep secret from her. Thanks for tuning in. If you are inspired, give us a like, share your experiences in the comments, and subscribe for more insights.